Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca, creamy cucumber agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this creamy, delicious cucumber agua fresca, these are the ingredients. A pinch of salt, heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, evaporated milk, water, and the star, the cucumber. Let's get ready. Let's refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Perfect for this hot weather, so let's get started.
I am going to start by making my simple syrup. I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and we're going to take it to the stove and cook it for a couple minutes until the sugar has dissolved and the water turns light yellow. That means that the syrup is ready to go. Take it off the stove, let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And now I am ready. My cucumbers are washed very good through running water, and I am ready to start adding them into my NutriBullet cup. Of course, I use the NutriBullet only for my aguas frescas and my smoothies. Once you add everything in here, you're gonna add some water and of course your pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring the amazing flavor of the cucumber. And now we are really going to blend. You could put it through a sifter or you could just add it as is. I am going to use half. I'm going to add half directly into the agua fresca, and I'm going to sift the other half. You want to see those little pieces of the cucumber throughout your agua fresca. Look at this. Of course, don't throw away the pulp. Add it to your garden to return the vitamins and the properties. And here I am sifting the rest of the agua fresca. And now let me show you the pulp. Like I said, you could leave the pulp behind. The water is not gonna start pulling apart. It's gonna look so smooth and creamy that you are really going to refresh yourself. The aroma of the cucumber so penetrated, and you know that the cucumber is so refreshing. There's no need to start buying soft drinks when you can make this delicious and creamy agua fresca at home. I added my heavy whipping cream, 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, and of course it is optional if you want to add green food coloring so it looks like a light green. I am going to add the evaporated milk, and I'm going to just whisk all the milks together, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Look at this. The aroma of the cucumber so penetrated. Of course, you know that the cucumber is so refreshing in lemonades, in aguas frescas. I am the queen of the lemonades. You have so many options on my channel. Let me show you the texture. Before I show you the texture, I'm going to add 2 drops of green food coloring. This is going to even elevate when you look at this amazing agua fresca of cucumber. It's really refreshing and is perfect for this hot weather. If you got up to this part of the video and you love and you like this recipe, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am making 2 liters of the cucumber agua fresca. I added a splash of the simple syrup. Look at this. It just looks amazing. And the aroma, oh my gosh, just perfection made at home. I am ready to pour on my glass with lots of ice. Look how smooth it is. It's gonna be like this for a couple days. But of course, here at my home, it only lasts 2 days. It's so refreshing and delicious that I'm sure this is going to be a staple in your home. Enjoy and refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. A little bit of cucumber on the bottom, and I'm ready to add the delicious, creamy mixture, the Agua Fresca. I can't wait to enjoy. Your mouth is watering, you are thirsty. Well, make this at home. You are really going to be nice and refreshed. You love cucumber like I do? Well, now you are going to fall in love with this creamy cucumber Agua Fresca. I can't wait to enjoy and refresh myself. So I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this creamy cucumber Agua Fresca. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So penetrated of cucumber flavor and so creamy. You guys are going to love it. Amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing creamy cucumber Agua Fresca. See you soon. Bye-bye.